Here's how you do the blur effect using Capcut. You can use this to cover your child's face or an object you don't want to show. First, you're going to want to duplicate the clip you're using. Then you're going to hit overlay and you're going to drag that same clip all the way below the original clip. Then you're going to hit video effects and look for blur, and then I put it all the way up to 100. Then you're going to want to make sure to make that blur go across the whole video. Then you're going to go all the way back out again, click that little tear-like button that comes out on the left, then find the button that says mask. Once you click mask, you'll be able to choose the option of the shape you want to use. I use the circle. First, you're going to want to resize and reshape it so you can cover the object or your child exactly as you'd like. First, you're going to go and put it over the object and then resize it and reshape it exactly as you like, and then hit the bottom left corner where it says invert. This covers the object, but it doesn't move with it. So if you want it to move, you're going to hit the little diamond on the right side. You only have to click the diamond once, and then you click the video where the blur is, and every time you click the blur, it adds a little diamond onto the video automatically. Then I just kept moving the blur to wherever I wanted to make sure the object or my child's face would be hidden, and that's what I'm doing there. That's pretty much it. It's really simple. It just takes a couple steps and a couple times to get the hang of it. So thank you to the mama creator that posted this. I will be tagging her. Make sure to like and save.